Afternoon. So for today's webinar, the title is Building a Strong Online Presence, and we will be going to use AI to optimize our online profile. But before we proceed with the actual webinar, I'd like you to see first how recruiters, employers, and clients actually search candidates online. So let's go to that first. So if you were thinking that us as a recruiter are searching candidates from here, well, yes, this is doable. For example, let's search a role of um, virtual assistant. All right. And then we can actually select the locations or companies and so on. For example, the location is in the Philippines and then show results. It will show us 152 results because of the job title. So it means there's no other way to filter in terms of keywords or, for example, software that I want to use, that I want to look for a candidate and so on. So that's why recruiters are not doing this way when we are searching candidates. So what we do when we are searching, not only me, but a lot of recruiters, a lot of clients and potential employers, we search candidates in LinkedIn, but not using the LinkedIn platform, but using Google. So how do we do that? So we just go here in Google and then we encode, we called it Boolean search string, wherein it's some kind of a coding in recruitment. So usually it's like this site, ph.linkedin.com/in. So Boolean search string can actually be used to any website. It could be on Facebook, in Twitter, but the results that it will going to provide us, it depends on the information that the candidate or the people they put into their Facebook profile or Twitter or in Instagram. So this time we will be using LinkedIn. So we use it like this. So first in the Google, we put that we wanted to search someone in the LinkedIn, and then we are putting the virtual assistant, the job title, and then we put the alternative job title, which is VA. And then after the job title, this is actually the results that gives me a while ago when I went to LinkedIn website. So, but I wanted to add it more. I don't like to review the 152 results that were given to me, right? So I need to add some more filter words or keywords. And then we will be adding, for example, I want a virtual assistant, but with a specialization in social media. So I'll put social media like this. And then another job title, let's say social media specialist. We can actually add more than two, even 10 or 5. It's fine, it's possible. And then we close the search. And aside from the additional job title, we wanted to find someone who has skills in a specific software and tools. So I'm going to add, for example, Hootsuite. I want to find someone with a specialization in Hootsuite. This is the software that a social media manager usually use. And aside from Hootsuite, I wanted someone who has experience in Predis AI. And aside from that, I want someone who has experience in Google Suite. There you go. So ideally, this is the what I want. So, but there's more. I wanted someone who has a specific experience in social media. So let's say I want someone with experience in um, Reels, Reels, and then um, TikTok. All right. So I wanted that. And of course, I wanted to target a location. So I'm going to put here Philippines. So this is how recruiters do it when we are searching candidates. So it's very complicated that we are using this kind of coding, and sometimes we actually have mistakes on the search strings, which could lead us with zero result. Let's find out. Okay, so this one, it means I have a problem or mistake in my search string. This is where I use actually ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates for me accurate Boolean search strings, which is I'm going to show you that I have prepared something here with some kind of. So my first prompts to the AI is act as a recruiter and create Boolean search string to search LinkedIn profile through Google. The job title is virtual assistant, is specialized on social media. The candidate I want to search is someone who knows Hootsuite, Predis AI, Google Suite. The person must be able to handle Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And then ChatGPT provided for me this coding. All right, but there's a note down there. Please remember to replace the city. So it means I forgot to feed the cities or the location. So again, I asked him, I want to search in Philippines only. And then he provided me a new Boolean search string. So I have one here prepared already. So this is from the search from the chat GPT. And I'll just copy and paste here. And there you go. So these are all the virtual assistant with experience in social media with all the Hootsuite, Reels, TikTok, all the keywords that I provided or I feed them. So amazing, isn't it? So can you imagine what will be the effect on you if you do have a strong online presence, if you have the correct keywords in your profile, if your profile is professional and attractive to clients and recruiters. So in recruitment, we do have two types of recruitment. We have active recruitment and passive recruitment. Active recruitment is we post advertisement, people apply, but 90% of the application has always been rejected because they are not qualified. And most of our hires came from passive recruitment. Passive recruitment, this is the thing wherein we do this. We search the candidate through the keywords, through the right skill set, and then we approach these candidates that, hey, Fern, I currently have a vacancy of social media manager in this company. Are you currently open for new opportunities? So this is how we do it. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile right now, you should start building one. If you have one but it's not updated, this webinar will help you how you are going to optimize that LinkedIn profile of yours with the help of AI. Okay, so let's visit this profile. Let's visit at least. All right. So even though her profile is not optimized, but she has the right keywords, as you can see, it doesn't look attractive though, but her experience is updated, I guess. And then let's check this one. LinkedIn also is not optimized. The banner it's not updated. Can you imagine, guys? You are on the top of the search and at the same time your profile is updated. Clients will start contacting you. Recruiters will start reaching out to you. So that's the way we do it. Okay. So now let's go to our presentation. I'm going to have a short presentation first, then afterwards, I'm going to share my screen on how we could optimize our profile using AI. So let's begin. All right. So for today, I'm going to give you insights on how to build a strong online presence and, of course, optimize your online profile by using AI. So why is it important? Because nowadays, so, online presence is this is how we portray ourselves in online through various platform like and content as well. So it's the image that we create through social media profiles, personal blogs, websites, and so on. So, what is the importance of a well managed and maintained online presence? Of course, this is our chance to attract clients, employers, recruiters, and other opportunities. So, as a virtual assistant or a job seeker, our online presence can help us stand out in a competitive market, attracting potential clients, employers, and opportunity. Can you imagine? I just typed a while ago the job title virtual assistant, and there's a lot of results, 152,000. It means the competition in the market is really tight. And if you are one of those people who have an updated and well-maintained profile, at least you have a great a competitive advantage in the market about this virtual assistant role. So why online presence is important? So number one, it will highlight the significance of online presence for our career growth. So our online presence is actually our virtual resume and business card. So as you can see nowadays, networking works differently than 20 years or 10 years ago. Before, when we network with someone, we have to attend physical training, meet and greet, and that's it. But now you could just connect to anyone, and it's not limited only in the Philippines. We could connect with anyone, even they are outside in the Philippines. So it can really significantly impact our career trajectory. The second thing is we could have a global reach global reach of audience of recruiters, employers, and clients. So the internet now, actually internet breaks the geographical barriers. So it doesn't matter if I am the Philippines, the client is in the US, or you are in the UK. It's okay. That's why online presence is very important because it will connect us to people globally. And the good thing is we will be connecting to some people that we feel that are very important and useful in our networks. Number three is establish credibility, trust, and authority in our field. So a strong online presence showcases our expertise, making us a go-to resource in our niche. So how is that so? Because our experience were enumerated there. You could provide your accomplishments and achievements. You could also ask recommendations from your previous boss or colleagues or client. So there's a portion there wherein you can get testimonials from people you worked with in the past. It's also showcase our skills, expertise, and personality. Because there's a part in LinkedIn as well that someone can vouch for you. What is the what is the skills that you have in the past when you work with them before? And yes, what I mentioned again is the recommendation about, of course, your personality. That people will not recommend you if you do have a bad personality. It also provides a platform to showcase your unique skills, expertise, and even your personality, helping us connect deeper in a deeper level. So now, optimizing your online presence using AI. So first, I'm going to give you a brief background. What is AI or artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence or AI is a technology that simulates human intelligence. AI refers to ability of computers and system to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. So take note, this is not the first time or the first era of AI. AI begins around 1950s, but it's not as intelligent as what they are right now. So the research or the experimentation, it started way back long time ago, but it's more on frequently asked question thing, that you ask question, he will reply based on the program. But now AI is more intelligent than before. But the thing here, still they are machine. So still it needs human touch, because human, us, we are the one who's giving the prompts, or we are the one who will be going to ask the AI what he needs to do so he can provide the results that we wanted. AI also mimics human cognition functions, learning, reasoning, problem solving, AI algorithms, and can analyze data, learn from patterns, make decision, and even solve complex problem. Actually, when AI was introduced earlier this year, A lot of people panic because the AI can do actually a programming, a coding, like web developer or software engineers. So everyone is thinking, am I going to lose my job because of AI? So a lot of people are thinking that a virtual assistant, am I going to lose my job because now AI can replace me? AI will never replace human. And if they the thing that you must do is you must learn AI so you can manage, you can prompt AI, you will be more productive, you will be more efficient as a virtual assistant. So that's the thing. You should upskill yourself. So what is the role of AI in enhancing online profile? So number one, it automate tasks. So you can ask AI to generate for you a banner, a headline, a summary of your profile, job descriptions, achievements, and so on. It could also help us generate content. So there are some AI tools wherein we can generate content like a social media pro. I'm not a social media person, but I could generate a content because it also boosts your profile if you create consistent content like posting in your LinkedIn, professional posting. And number three, optimizing visibility. So I've showed you earlier that when I do the Boolean search string, it gives me the people, and you can see the people on the top of the rank. So I'm going to help you optimize your profile using AI so you will be on the top of the rank. So what AI can do to optimize your online profile? So number one, utilizing AI to analyze and improve your online presence. This is number one. So it could streamline and enhance our digital image. AI tools can assess your current online presence and suggest improvements to make it more appealing. Yes, there is AI, actually a Google Chrome extension wherein it would provide a review of your online profile, and it will make suggestion like this part is red because it's not good enough, this part is green because this is good enough. And at the same time, we could generate a headshots or a profile picture, a professional one for our profile. So number two, tailor content for specific platforms like LinkedIn, website, and other social media platforms. So we can maximize the engagement because that is the one of the important thing in the online presence, engagement. You post something, people comment, and you engage with these people. AI can help you craft content tailored to each platform requirements, ensuring higher engagement. So, for example, if you want to create a graphics content for Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, you can use ChatGPT and Predis AI. I personally use Predis AI. If you will go through to my LinkedIn page, those past content that I created because I was testing Predis AI before. So I created Predis AI, and then I post it at the same time in LinkedIn and Facebook, and it was really good, absolutely free. No need to pay any additional fee. So it's like it works like Hootsuite, but Hootsuite is with pay, wherein Predis AI can do all that, create content. By the way, creating content by your prompt. So you can create that, can you generate for me a content related to aspiring virtual assistant? I want the color to be green, and you can adjust the color and things like that. And then it will generate for you some graphic design, including with a caption and with a hashtag. But for personally, for my end, I do not like the caption of Predis AI because when I post content, I want it with some specific topics as well. So for example, I use how to spot a scam. So it's not just usual. It's like with text. So I asked ChatGPT first to for the title, by the way. Yeah. My first starting point, I forgot to tell you, ChatGPT is always my starting point in creating content, everything, even in this webinar. So first, what I'm going to do, I will ask ChatGPT to give me 10 suggestions of a content related to aspiring virtual assistant or how to spot a scam client or job posting. Then it will give me like 10 list of title. And then when I already selected one, or sometimes I'm mixing them up, I will again prompt ChatGPT, can you create for me a caption with bulleted points for this title? And then that's it. That's the thing I'm going to bring to Predis AI as my caption for my content. While ChatGPT minus one and plagiarism can be used to copywriter or blog writer, but still most of them the starting point is ChatGPT. They would prompt and ask some some titles or content, and then they will copy and paste that to ChatGPT minus one, because the purpose of ChatGPT minus one is to humanize, to remove the words that's obvious that it's made by AI. And then after that, it will be copied to plagiarism remover to make sure that the content will not be violating any plagiarism. AI is very amazing. So the next thing, AI can identify keywords and phrases relevant to our expertise. So it boosts searchability, and AI also can help us identify the right keywords and phrases to improve our search engine ranking. So this is what I've showed you earlier. And after this presentation, I'm going to show you how to do it. All right. So what are the AI tools that we can use to build our profile? So what I'm going to show you right now, these were already tested by me that they are free. That's the most important thing. So it's just if you will search online, there's actually a lot of AI tools that you can use, but sometimes yes, it's free to register, but it's not free to use when you started creating and you are amazed already, but when you wanted to download the profile or the banner, it will ask you for payment. So these tools, they are absolutely free. So the number one that I'm using always ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can do a lot of things. They create impactful profiles. So it generates content, refine our bio, job descriptions, and headlines to present our skills and personality effectively. So it's also craft compelling narratives. So when we say narratives, this is the thing that we can see in the about section in our profiles. Number two is Teal. I'm using Teal. Teal is not only an AI to analyze our profile, but this is also a resume builder. So on the next webinar, I'm going to cover how to create cover letter and resume using AI. So we will be discussing more on Teal. So first, it's resume builder, analyze your profile, the LinkedIn profile, and summarize our profile and make suggestions for improvement. Later on when I'm sharing my screen for my profile on how to do it, I'm going to show you how. The next thing is Profile Pic Maker. So this is a free tool that allows us to instantly remove the background of our pictures and add a custom one in either professional, creative, or mixed mode. It's up to us to select. We can also then add shadows to make it more realistic. And aside from that, we could also download a free matching LinkedIn banner. Profile Pic Maker has an amazing features, which is AI generated headshots, but that is free, wherein you're going to take, let's say, 15 pictures with any background uploaded, and you will just prompt what background you would like. Is it professional? Do you want like CEO type? Do you want it with in the office? Anything. And then once you click generate, even you are wearing a house clothes, it will provide you a very nice picture, you wearing a suit, and the background is really nice, but that is a paid, so dun tayo sa free. And another thing that I'm using is Microsoft Designer. It convert prompts to graphic content, including social media posts and banners. Actually, Microsoft Designer works like Canva, but I recommend Microsoft Designer because Canva doesn't have an option yet to convert prompts to graphic content. Maybe if Canva will have that options, then I will be recommending Canva for you. But so far none. So Microsoft Designer could do that. But Canva has a pre-made templates which you can use as well. But here you can actually just type that LinkedIn banner for virtual assistant and it will give us the result and you can edit, you can add text, the colors and so on. And it's not only for banner, anything, any social media, you can change the size for as per Facebook requirement, Instagram requirement, and so on. Okay, now let's create a profile and use AI to optimize access. It's better to access your computer while we are doing this and ready your resume as well. Okay, so first we'll have to go to the LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn and this is my landing page, but this is actually not my profile itself. If you want to go to LinkedIn, click on your name or here, there. Okay. So the first thing we must do, of course, when you are creating or updating your profile, have your resume ready with you and make sure that your resume is updated. And but we will cover resume and letter next week. So first open Teal. Teal is a Google Chrome extension which is you can download for free. Just if you want to download, just go here in extension, manage extension, and then go here, and you can find it here in the Chrome Web Store, and you can search here Teal, and this is it. So it's free. Just download this because you wouldn't be able to analyze your profile if the Teal is not downloaded in your Chrome extension. Now let's go back to my LinkedIn. Let's close this window. Okay. So now that this is my profile with a banner and so on, so let's call Teal to analyze it for us. Okay. So now Teal said that my profile picture is good because it's green with check, banner is good, LinkedIn URL is good, headline is good, about no, experience no, skills it's good. So we will go through it one by one. So for the profile picture, you can use this free profile. Yes, so this is the landing page of Profile Pic Maker, and this is what I'm telling about you earlier about AI headshots, wherein you can be like this by uploading 10 to 15 pictures. But this is paid version, so we are going to use the free version, but it's also look nice. So all we have to do is upload a photo. So I'm going to select this one. So when you are selecting a picture, make sure that you are already wearing something good because in this option, you wouldn't be able to change your clothes unlike in AI headshots. So there you go. So it gives me some suggestion with shadows, colors, a lot of thing. But you can change that because it's in mix. Maybe you can try the new or you can try the creative. So this is the creative, and there are some professional profile picture also there. You could also edit it if you want to edit something. The zoom there. So the color, if you want to change the background, for example, yellow. or you can copy and paste the color code here and so on. And then it's free to download. You'll just have to download it and put it in your and upload it in your LinkedIn profile. The good thing about this part is you can actually get a um, matching LinkedIn banner. Wherein, for example, let's change the color for this one. Um, let's say I like this green. Okay. So for example, you like this one, this background because it's look like my company logo. Okay, just go here and there. It will suggest a lot of LinkedIn banners that you can download, and there is a free view how it will look like if you're using that one. There, you can download. So the thing is, you cannot edit it from here. So what you can do, you can download it from here, copy and paste in Canva or Microsoft Designer, and you can edit and add some text on that one, like virtual assistant, contact number, email address, what are the services or your expertise. So that's it. Okay. The next thing that we're going to look at is the LinkedIn banner. So in LinkedIn banner, I suggested the Microsoft Designer. I will put here, I'll just type the prompt, LinkedIn banner for um, LinkedIn banner for virtual assistant services. And then let's generate the image. It will take some time, but it's not that long to generate us some suggestions of the content. Initially, it will appear a square, but we can change the size. But if you like that, you just choose the design and we could choose the size later on. So as you can see, my prompt here is very general. And then there is one here. I'm using this. This is a separate AI, by the way, Monica.ai. I'm using her to reply some of my emails. And now she's making a suggestion that if I'm going to use this prompt, it will provide me a better result. So let's follow Monica, see how intelligent she is, and then generate. So Monica give me a prompt to like I'm asking for a professional LinkedIn banner for virtual assistant services, to incorporate pictures of computer or phone, use color blue, green, or gray to convey professionalism. And I got this result there. So for example, I want to use this one as a banner. So I'll just click this one and customize design. Either customize or download. Definitely we will be customizing it because the size is not for LinkedIn banner. So all you have to do first is to change the size into to LinkedIn banner. You can choose here. So there, LinkedIn story content. There's a lot of option there. So choose the rectangle one like this, not this one. All right. And then let's continue. Okay, something's wrong. Maybe we need to try again. Hold on. Let's choose another one. Mhm. Okay, this one looks like LinkedIn. Okay, so it gives us this one. So resize and replace. Okay, so now if this is okay for you, then it's okay. You can go on, just edit the text, you can edit the color, the size, the font, and you can add your contact information and so on. And then just download it, it's free, and upload it here in your LinkedIn banner. Okay, the next thing is the header. So this is not my header before. Actually, when I do my search, my headline is red as well. So I prompt this using AI. So what I did, I opened Chat GPT and I think this is the one. Okay. Okay, so this is the prompt that I did. Act as a LinkedIn expert and create for me a searchable headline using my work experience. Then I copy and paste my work experience from my resume. And then after that, I'm asking the AI that the profile must be searchable for recruiters and limit to 200 characters only, including hashtag. So the result that he provided me is this one. And then if I'm not satisfied, I will be asking him make it longer and engaging. So he provided me another headline. And then this headline, just copy and paste it to your headline and you're good to go. Amazing. So the next part is the about section. So I'm not planning to change my about section. I'm good with that one. So but the suggestion in the about, let's check on it. So they are saying here that the about section of your LinkedIn profile is a place where we can write a narrative or summary of our relevant professional experience, skills, and accomplishments. So think about customizing this to your target audience. So ayan, meron siyang mga suggestion. Number one, get clear on your audience. Outline what information you want to include, years of experience, notable industries or companies, core skills, and keywords. So it is suggesting to put 1 to 2 notable accomplishments and then use first person and make sure your first sentence hooks the reader in. And Till also has you can try this blurb builder to help you get started on how to create this one, or you can also create chat GPT using this suggestion. So what you can do is to copy and paste this one, and then uh, go here in the new chat. So act as a LinkedIn expert and create a about me using targeting targeting the following. So paste natin. So let's paste the suggestion. Get clear on your audience, clear on audience, and then years of experience, industries, um, core skills and keywords, and then 1 to 2 accomplishment. Again, then after that, we'll see use this working experience to generate the about me okay, and then let's copy and paste my work experience from here. So that's why it's important that your resume is updated. Okay, I'm going to cover until here, there, and I'm going to paste it here, and then let's click enter. So it takes time for ChatGPT to analyze my command or my prompt. So what he did is he make a some kind of a like resume. So this is not what I want. So just ask him again. This is not what I want. Make it like an about me section in LinkedIn. Make it professional and not so long. And then again, AI will start generating again. So it could be bulleted like this. It could be some kind of a paragraph. If we are not satisfied again, we could ask the AI again to um, rewrite in a paragraph form. See, yeah, this is what I want. I want it in a paragraph form, but I feel that it's still long, but I think it's good to go. So what we are going to do is, of course, we will proofread if what the chat GPT provided us is real based on our job description in the CV and our experience. And if it's good, then we can go ahead, copy and paste it, because all the words, keywords that chat GPT use in this about section, it will be visible or searchable for the recruiters. So that's the thing. So that is for the about me. And then the next part is the experience. Of course, your experience must always match with your resume. Recruiters always look into that. And here, as you can see the comment from Till, so in the experience, I must include the examples of achievements and other things. So maybe um, Teal couldn't read this one because it's image, but this is actually the achievements I can say, because these are the projects that I've handled there. So we can use the same prompt like what we did in the chat GPT. Just copy and paste the job description to write it for you using the keyword, and then try and try again for many attempts until it gives you the result that you want. So for the education, it doesn't need an AI, just update your education. And for the certification, you can attend some free LinkedIn courses. There are some free LinkedIn courses, especially if your LinkedIn account is new, they will be offering you a 1 month free um, premium account. So you can use that to attend courses and so on. And then you can ask as well recommendations. So these are the recommendations that I ask from my previous hire, and then from my previous client, previous supervisors and managers, and so on. This is where client will see your credibility, your skills and expertise. So because I had a lot of I receive a lot of inquiries that I don't have an experience as virtual assistant, but I do have an experience in BPO. Technically, you have an experience, so don't say that you don't have an experience. Probably you couldn't get a job because in your covering letter, you are putting that I don't have experience as BA. People will read only the first line of your covering letter. So make sure that do not highlight you don't have experience if you have. So what you can say that you are working in a BPO company and you are assisting your client remotely through this. I'm using the CRM in this one and so on. So if you do have, if because there is misconception about virtual assistant, they thought virtual assistant if you work as a freelance. No, you are a virtual assistant if you support a client or employer remotely, even you are inside or outside the Philippines, or even the client is in the Philippines or outside the Philippines. As long as you provide support virtually, then you are a virtual assistant, right? So start completing your LinkedIn profile, and um, let's see how it will work for you. So what you can do is you can send to me um, the link of your LinkedIn profile, admin LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn. I provided it in the comment section, and also you can add my you can like the page. It's the same. Be hired at Angeline Rugel. So I post all the job advertisement here as well if I have a vacancy. So this is my latest posting, and yes. So just like and follow the website, and you can send me a personal message here in LinkedIn. Add me and send me personal message if you want your profile to be reviewed, so you could receive a feedback from my end. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week for another webinar. Bye.